Hi, this is Prashansa Chavan. I am a 2019 Teach for India Fellow. Currently, I'm in my second year and I'll be soon completing my fellowship in May 2021. I've been working with Ivy Dreams and Shashank since February 2020. Um, and if I have to describe Shashank in just one word, that would be he's a dream catcher. He really catches people's dreams and makes them his own. And That's what made me put so much of trust in Shashank. As I worked on one of the biggest goals in my life, that is applying and receiving an offer from an Ivy League university. Um, as we started working, we began with some sort of modules, and the first one was discovery module or discovery phase, wherein we actually sat and discussed a lot about what is it that makes me want to apply to the Ivy League universities. So, is it just about going to the Ivy League universities, or do I really have a committed vision, a long term vision, for which an education like this is important, as that is what is needed for someone to get into an university like that. So the process, the entire process was, it wasn't very mechanical, but it was deep rooted into understanding where I come from, what is my current reality, and where I wish to go. So that's how different modules were. The modules that we worked together on. So discovery phase was a lot about analyzing and actually articulating what is my long-term vision, not even analyzing but actually articulating what is my long-term vision. And once I was very clear enough, articulative enough about my own long-term vision, we moved on to a phase called profile building phase, where we actually analyzed, right, um, if I have to apply to an Ivy League, what is the gap in my profile, and how can I work towards bridging that gap? Which meant that I needed to learn a lot of skills. So the entire process was not about putting down something or resume or doing something for just the sake of that, but it was largely about uh, choosing the right opportunities and being a part of those opportunities so that I can learn the necessary skills that would come handy when I would be there at the university studying as a student, which was really helpful. And post that phase, then we started with applying, where we started to write my statement of purposes, and sorting out scholarships, etc. So the whole process, in this whole process, I just felt that Shashank, uh, he was being very professional, but at the same time he had this personal touch where he knew uh, what you really needed, and he really holds your hand when there's a need, and he'll let you be, and he'll be like, you need to be on your own and you don't need hand holding always. So he's very practical, but at the same time he has a great EQ, and um, he was a he I think I'm at a point now where he's not just someone who helped me through my application, but whom I really consider as a mentor for life or a guru. So talking about Shashank, I think this journey has been extremely wonderful, and I'm very happy to share this news that we applied to four Ivy League universities, out of which I have received offer from one of them, which is the University of Pennsylvania, for a program called Masters of Science in Education, for International Educational Development. And I'm hopeful for the other three universities that I have applied for, which are also Ivy Leagues, which is Harvard, Columbia, and Stanford. So just um, this journey has been really great, and uh, Shashank was one of the biggest reasons that I could really pull off to do a lot in a smaller time frame, learn a lot of things, and be confident about the fact that I would be able to be excelling as a student when at an university like this. And extremely grateful to Shashank for his help.